This work is done jointly with Karen and Milosh. Before I tell you about ICOG and regression proving, let me give you some background and context. This work concerns a particular flavor of verification using tools called proof assistance. Recently, there have been many large-scale projects that use proof assistance. The upper three projects are formalization of mathematical theories, while the lower three ones are software verification projects. Scale and complexity can be measured in various ways, and here you can see the one measured, the number of lines of code. One serious problem in large-scale projects is that proofs tend to take long time to check whenever a change is made. For example, some key proofs of the Kepler conjecture take several days to check. Or this lists our work. We presented the first tool dubbed ICOG for regression proof selection. ICOG tracks fine-grained dependencies between cog definition proposition proofs and only checks those that are affected by the changes between two projects. Now I will show how to install our tool and components of ICOG. We distribute our tool using OPAM package manager for OCaml. Therefore, you need to install OPAM. So we already installed OPAM and initialized it. And then you have to add the OPAM repo or repam repo. And then install ICOG. I will now illustrate how to integrate ICOG into an existing project. For demo purpose, I will use struct project that is publicly available on GitHub. However, I had to annotate the lemmas using proof using. Therefore, will use the clone from my private clone of the struct project. Now, to integrate with ICOG, we simply introduce new target called ICOG, and then we will pass the current directory to ICOG. Then, I will try these two revisions, and before I try, what's the difference between two revision? So here we can see util file is changed, and the take node up and remove node up lemmas are affected. Now I will check out this revision. So I will configure first, then I will run make ICOG. So all proofs are selected in the first run as expected. Now we will check out the other revision, and we'll run configure again, and we'll run ICOG. So 3 proofs are selected now. So we can see which proofs are selected. So SSV exit, take node up and remove up are selected, and pigeon, which is another proof, which depends on take or remove, is also selected. If we don't do any change, if we run, so nothing will be selected as we expected. Technique, regression proof selection techniques implemented as ICOG, and it has speed up of 10x or 3x locally, and you can get the tool from our GitHub address.